Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to focus on spelling and phonics pictures for first grade journeys lesson 13. And this video is practice B, words 13 to 24. I also have a practice A video, words 1 to 12. But this is practice B. And our anchor text is seasons. For this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper. And you're going to write your numbers 13 to 24. We're starting at 13 because I have another lesson that is words 1 to 12. So again, start at 13, write 14, 15, 16, all the way to 24. If you need to, push pause, get your paper and pencil, and write your numbers 13 to 24. And when you're ready to join me, push play. At the end of our lesson, I'm going to challenge you to get crayons or your pencil to rainbow write or just write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. So your teacher might have given you this worksheet, and if so, you will need 3 crayons and to rainbow write and match the words that are also words 13 to 24. So here's our learning target. I can correctly read and spell first grade words with short vowels and the digraphs PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. Success criteria. That means how will you know you're successful at reading and spelling first grade words with short vowels and the digraphs PH, SH, and WH? Well, here are our steps to success. I will, number 1, read and say each word. Number 2, spell and write each word. Number 3, do my best. And number 4, write each word 3 more times. That's your challenge. Words with short vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, and PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. We're also going to practice the verb tenses with the S ending, the ES, ED, or ING endings. Past tense, as in yesterday. The action is done in the past, past tense. Sam played blocks. Present tense, today, plural, 2 or more people. The action happens today or every day. Present tense, the children are playing. And also present tense, today, singular, 1 person. Present tense, the girl plays or the girl is playing. 13, what do you think it is? Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. It has the S-H digraph, wash, W-A-S-H. Now I'm going to put wash in sentences. You don't need to write these sentences, just say them out loud after you've written the word wash. Present tense. He washes the dishes. He washes the dishes. He is washing the dishes. He is washing the dishes. Now, past tense, it already happened. He washed the dishes. So make sure you have wash, and you can say the sentences. He washes the dishes. He is washing the dishes. He washed the dishes. Number 14. It rhymes with wash. What is this vegetable? Squash. Wash and squash rhyme. Squash. S-Q-U-A-S-H. Squash. Do you like squash for dinner? Squash. So make sure you have wash for 13 and squash. SQUASH, squash. And the SH says shh. Number 15. The word is whiz. 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 And it will make sense when I read the sentences to you. As you may say, Miss Pearson, why is that whiz? A woman who is running fast. Well, whiz can explain how she is running. So make sure you have whiz, WHIZ, whiz. And here's our sentences. Present tense. She whizzes by. That means she runs quickly by, like a whiz. She whizzes by. Or she is whizzing by. She is whizzing by. That means to run quickly. Or past tense, she whizzed by. So whiz is explaining or saying how fast she's running. She whizzes by, she is whizzing by, she whizzed by. Whiz. What rhymes with whiz? Number 16. Number 16, quiz. Whiz and quiz rhyme. QUIZ, quiz. Whiz, quiz, quiz. So here it is in a sentence. The teacher quizzes the students. You don't need to write the sentence, just say it. The teacher quizzes the students. That's present tense. The teacher is quizzing the students. And past tense, the teacher quizzed the students. So quiz means to give a quiz. Quiz, the teacher quizzes the students. The teacher is quizzing the students. The teacher quizzed the students. So make sure for 15 you have whiz, and number 16 is quiz. Number 17. Green eggs and ham. 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 Do you like green eggs and ham? All right, ham. What rhymes with ham? Number 18. Wham. Wham. Ham and wham rhyme. Wham describes how something hit something. It went wham. 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 Ham and wham. Number 19. What is that pony doing? Spin. 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 Now I'm going to put spin in sentences. Present tense. She spins. She is spinning. She spun. That's irregular past tense. She spins. She is spinning. She spun. That means she already did it. So make sure you wrote spin, SPIN, and you can say the sentences, she spins, she is spinning, she spun. What rhymes with spin? Pointing to something on your leg. What is that called? Shin. Shin. The part of your leg there is your shin. When you play soccer, you put on shin guards. Shin. So we have spin and shin. S-H-I-N. Shin. Spin, shin. S-H-I-N. Number 21. Shell. The turtle went into her shell, or I found a seashell on the beach. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Shell. What rhymes with shell? Smell. Smell. Shell and smell rhyme. S-M-E-L-L. Shell, smell. Shell, smell. S-M-E-L-L. Now I'm going to put smell in a sentence. She smells the flower. She smells the flower. She is smelling the flower. Or she smelled the flower. That's past tense. So after you write smell, S-M-E-L-L, you can say these sentences. She smells the flower. She is smelling the flower. She smelled the flower. That means she already did it. It's in the past. All right. 23. What do you think it is? Graph. G-R-A-P-H. The PH says G-R-A-P-H. Graph. I looked at the graph to see how many people voted for airplane, how many people voted for fire engine, truck, train, race car, ambulance, or police car. On what vehicles did we see? So that is a graph. G-R-A-P-H. What rhymes with graph? Actually, it doesn't really rhyme, but it has a similar ending. Graph. And who is this? Wreck-It Ralph. It doesn't rhyme, but it has the same ending. Ralph and graph. Ralph. His name is Ralph. So make sure that you put a capital R because it's his name. It doesn't rhyme, but it has the same PH ending. Ralph. R-A-L-P-H. R-A-L-P-H. Ralph. So make sure 23, graph, and 24, Ralph. Check your work. This is the time to make sure you have all your words spelled correctly. Number 13, wash. W-A-S-H, wash. What rhymes with wash? Number 14, squash. S-Q-U-A-S-H, squash. Number 15, whiz. W-H-I-Z, whiz. What rhymes with whiz? Quiz. Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Number 17, ham. Number 18, wham. So if you need to, push pause, make any corrections you need. 13, wash. 14, squash. 15, whiz. 16, quiz. 17, ham. 18, wham. All right, 19, spin. S-P-I-N, spin. What rhymes with spin? Shin. Spin and shin rhyme. S-H-I-N, Shin. Number 21, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. What rhymes with shell? Smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. 23, graph. G-R-A-P-H, graph. And what has the same ending with the P-H? Ralph. R-A-L-P-H, Ralph. So 19, spin. 20, shin. 21, shell. 22, smell. 23, graph. 24, Ralph. If you need to, push pause. Make sure all your words are spelled correctly. And when you're done, push play. Time to reflect on our learning target. What was our learning target? I can correctly read and spell first grade words with short vowels and the digraphs PH as in phone, SH as in sheep, and WH as in whale. How do you think you did today? Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I was able to read, write, and spell all the words easily and correctly. Or would you give yourself a 3? I was able to read, write, and spell most of the words correctly. Or would you give yourself a 2? I was able to read, write, and spell some of the words correctly. Or 1, I was not able to read, write, and spell any of the words correctly. So write your reflection grade at the top of your paper, 4, 3, 2, or 1. And then it's the end of the lesson, time to challenge yourself. You've already written your words 13 through 24. Get your crayons or your pencil to rainbow write, or just write your words 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you, boys and girls, for doing the spelling and phonics with me today. Have a great day.